I don't have a lot of batter left. Enough for like probably about 4 or 5 waffles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add cheese and bacon to this one. So I fried up some bacon. Does that look good? But yeah, so I cooked it up really well. And I cut it up first, then I cooked it. But you can crumble the bacon after you cook it. It just depends on you. Alright. So, let me go. I'm not really measuring it. I guess this is probably a little, like a third of a cup, maybe a little more. Okay, I like a little more because I like my waffles really cheesy. I don't do this often, but when I do, I want it to be really cheesy. And then I'm going to add some bacon. And I do want to reserve some for the top for decoration purposes. So I think this was like about 6 pieces of bacon altogether. Alright, so again, we don't want to overmix this. I did have the batter sitting a couple hours in the refrigerator, so it did stay safe. So I do have a 1/3 measuring cup now. So let's see if that's perfect according to all the online experts. Okay. Alright. So it's done. And the 1/3 was exactly right. It didn't overflow on me this time. And as you can see, it fitted perfectly. So one thing I like, even though it says to spray it, I did not spray the waffle maker. And at first it was a mistake. I was just so excited to get started. But since I see that it doesn't need the spray, I'm not going to use it. So there we go. Let's see what the other side looks like. The other side looks even better. Alright, let's get another one started. Alright, so serving, of course, I like to put a little sprinkle of cheese on top. And a few bacon bits. So there you have it, the bacon cheddar waffle. And as you can see, it looks really delicious with the cheese and the bacon. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Oh, and before I forget, it goes well with maple syrup. I've never tried it with any other type of syrup, but maple syrup goes really good on this. Again, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.